Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn English in a fun and exciting way by talking about some everyday tools and machines. These are the objects we use to make our work easier. Let's begin. Tools and machines are very useful in our daily life. Let's learn their names and usage in English. Repeat after me to practice pronunciations. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner is used to clean floors by sucking up dirt and dust. Can you say vacuum cleaner? Vacuum cleaner. Great. Axe. An axe is a tool with a sharp blade and used to cut wood. Repeat after me. Axe. Axe. Excellent. Hammer. A hammer is used to drive nails into wood or other materials. Say it with me. Hammer. Hammer. Fantastic. Scissor. Scissors are used to cut paper, fabric, or other thin materials. Can you say scissors? Scissors. Well done. A spanner. A spanner is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Say it. A spanner. A spanner. Good job. Plier. Plier is a tool used to hold objects firmly or to bend wires. Repeat. Plier. Plier. Great. A screwdriver. A screwdriver is used to tighten or loosen screws. Can you say screwdriver? Screwdriver. Awesome. A spade. A spade is used to for digging in the garden or soil. Say it with me. A spade. A spade. Fantastic. A nail cutter is used to trim our nails. Say it together. Nail cutter. Nail cutter. Excellent. Drill machine. A drill machine is used to make holes in the walls or other surfaces. Say it. Drill machine. Drill machine. Amazing. Saw. A saw is used to cut wood or other materials. Repeat. Saw. Saw. Great. Paper cutter. A paper cutter is used to cut paper neatly. Say it with me. Paper cutter. Paper cutter. Fantastic. Nails. Nails are used to fix things together. Say nails. Nails. A screw. Screws are used to fix things. Say screws. Screw. Screw. Well done. Iron. An iron is used to press clothes and make them smooth. Can you say iron? Iron. Great. Washing machine. A washing machine is used to wash clothes easily. Say it. Washing machine. Washing machine. Wonderful. Camera. A camera is used to take photos. Say it together. Camera. Camera. Awesome. Water heater. Or geyser. A water heater is used to heat water. Say it with me. Water heater or geyser. Water heater or geyser. Nice. Sewing machine. A sewing machine is used to stitch clothes. Say it. Sewing machine. Sewing machine. Fantastic. Computer. A computer is used to many tasks like typing, drawing, and using the internet. Say it with me. Computer. Computer. Great job. Now it's your turn. I will show you a picture and you tell me the name of the tool or machine in English. Ready? Let's start. What is this? Vacuum cleaner. What is this? Axe. And this? Hammer. And this? A screwdriver. And this? Scissor. And this? A spanner. And this? Plier. And this? A spade. And this? Nail cutter. And this? Drill machine. And this? Paper cutter. And this? Nails. And this? Screw. This? Saw. This? Washing machine. This? Camera. This? Iron. This? Water heater. This? Sewing machine. This? Computer. Fantastic work, everyone. You learned so many useful tools and machines today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing these names in English. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Thank you.